Introducing Twist. Taking down the 3-panel twist kit. First, remove the single countertop and the appropriate graphic and place them carefully onto the floor. Then from behind the stand, remove all the magnetic easy links. By doing this, you're now in a position to carefully remove and wind up the FlexiLink graphic, always remembering to keep the graphic image facing outwards. Next, remove the main twist graphic by unhooking at the bottom and removing from the top. Again, as with the FlexiLink, taking real care to keep the graphic image facing outwards. Now, remove the wheeled hardcase lid and place the main graphics or any FlexiLink graphics into the tubes provided. This in turn will keep the graphics protected during transportation, which is different from the traditional method where all graphics are placed into one drum, which minimises the risk of damage. Easy links and the counter graphic will also fit down the protective tubes. Now, take the final graphic down by unlocking at the bottom and unhooking at the top. Taking care when winding the graphics to keep the graphical image on the outside. Once you've done this, place the last remaining graphic into the protective tube. Once the graphics have been safely stored, it's time to add the uprights. Each base slides neatly into the case on either side of the graphics tubes. Then add the lights and the countertop and reattach the hardcase lid.